Oh, good. My bare face is not as bad as my bare feet. But that's what the video is about today. This video is not sponsored. I just bought this on Amazon and I'm gonna try it on my feet because they're kind of nasty. I grew up in Minnesota. I wore a lot of socks and shoes, layers and layers of socks, and shoes that didn't fit right for most of my life. So, there's some calluses. So it's like, oops, it looks like the harshest one is already on the device. And I guess it's like an electronic pumice stone. Maybe this one. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. So then I just pop it in the, oh, wrong way. I pop it in there. Wait, was that the right way? I did not read the instructions. It just pops in. It's one click, and then if I click it again, it's just a higher setting, and then there's off. This is for feet, nothing else. So get your mind out of the gutter. And no, you can't vape it, because I know one person's gonna ask. I really don't want to show my feet. Like, this is something, a video I've been not wanting to make. I really, really don't want to show my feet, but I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it, even though I don't want to do it. I'm gonna do something I don't want to do. Because life's just full of things you don't want to do, so you might as well just get used to it. I'm gonna put this sweatshirt down so we can see how much dead skin this ground off. Before this, I used a pity egg, one of these things. Ew, there's still skin there. Yeah, it's just a grater. Kind of like something you see in your kitchen. Yeah, it's probably cheaper if I continue to grate myself like I'm a block of cheese. But this is less effort. Ooh. I'm trying to grow out my nails. See, there's like a right way to cut them and a wrong way to cut them. And mom cut them the wrong way for years, so when I became an adult, I continued to cut them wrong. But I'm trying to cut them straight across, but this one keeps breaking. It just broke the other day. And these ones I think are doing all right. But yeah, I got a callus here. There's my beautiful size 10 feet. See, they're waving at you or whatever that is. So give them 2 toes up. There's the front, top side, bottom side, side, feet. They got talent too, like, I can move. See, that's skills, I can move those ones. Anyways, they can also pick things up, like watch this. I just drop that sock. I can pick up, I don't want to pick up everything. Just wanted the sock. And I can pass the sock to the other foot. Whoa. Oh, you can see, it looks like vapor, but it's just dead skin dust. My feet are on fire. Isn't this the best video? This is the best video I've ever made. That is a lot more entertaining than I thought it was gonna be. It's kind of satisfying watching all the skin pile up on my sweatshirt. On to the toe. I'm gonna switch it out to like the least abrasive one. My toe is just, it's so dry right here, and sometimes it looks dirty and brown, especially in pictures, not so much on video. And it's really dry right here. It's starting to hurt a little bit. Maybe I should stop when the pain sets in. And then I did it. I kept going. But yeah, this one broke. I have not been able to get it to grow straight. Just broke yesterday. So yeah, I'm trying to grow it out. So it's like all one length at the top. But it's gonna take a while. It just keeps breaking. This one's done for the most part. And it feels so smooth and nice. I think I drew maybe just a little bit of blood on that, but I always do when I grind this. Looking pretty good. And then here's the other one just for comparison. Look at that. Although this one might have been in worse condition to start with. Ugh. That's a lot quicker than the petty egg, I will say that. Not as harsh either. So there's one. There's the other one. Looks pretty good. Now the toes. Not bad. I'm feeling a little less nasty. Well, as soon as I throw out all this dead skin, I'm gonna feel way less nasty. Oh yeah, I should probably lotion my feet. That's next. I'm not gonna make you watch that. Or do you wanna watch? You wanna watch me lotion my feet? So I'm gonna use some of this and lotion these puppies. I believe I paid like $13 for it, something like that. There's a whole bunch of them on there, probably under different names. There's like, it's like eBay. There's a bunch of sellers selling the same thing for different prices. And 13 was the cheapest I found for it. I just priced it low to high. And then I came across the one that I was looking for. Because if you just type it in there, Amazon's gonna show you the more expensive ones first. I've noticed that with Amazon. They show you the more expensive stuff first, but if you look hard, or if you go to eBay, you can oftentimes find the same thing for less. So that's it. You can see the results for yourself. And I'm gonna put some socks on now. Cause it just look, oh, not these socks. These socks are going in the trash. I most definitely hurt my toe knuckles. hurt. I went a little too far. Whoops. There's a little pain. Well, it wasn't hurting while I was doing it too much. It really wasn't, just in a couple spots. The spots that hurt. No, one of them didn't hurt. Now it does. That's just the way the cookie crumbles. Or the dead skin crumbles off feet. So, you're welcome, foot fetish people. You're welcome. Alright, bye! Toodaloo-doo-lee-loo. Next one's gonna be a vape video.